Most people think buying a reliable, used truck means spending a fortune, and the dealerships are more than happy to let you keep believing that. But here is what the data actually shows, and what the industry does not want seniors or anyone on a fixed income to figure out. Some of the most durable, most trouble-free pickup trucks ever built are sitting in driveways and unused lots right now for prices that seem almost impossible given how much life they still have left. We are talking about trucks with documented, real-world cases of hitting 300,000, 400,000, and in multiple verified examples, well over 500,000 miles on the original engine with no catastrophic repairs, no engine rebuilds, and no reason to stop driving. If you are a senior driver or you are buying a truck for someone who is, the priorities are simple. You need something that starts every single morning, rides comfortably on long drives, costs almost nothing to maintain, is easy to get in and out of, and never leaves you stranded somewhere you do not want to be stranded. The good news is that 5 specific trucks check every single one of those boxes, and they are available right now for prices that are genuinely embarrassingly low compared to what you are actually getting. We are going from number 5 to number 1, from solid to legendary. And by the end of this, you will know exactly which trucks to look for, what to check before you buy, and why these 5 keep showing up in every high-mileage conversation. Number 5 is the Nissan Frontier, and this is the truck that never gets enough credit, which is honestly one of the best things about it, because the lack of hype keeps the price low while the reliability stays exactly where it has always been. Nissan ran essentially the same core platform and the same fundamental engine architecture on the Frontier from 2005 all the way through 2021, and that is not a story about a company that ran out of ideas. That is the story of an engine and a platform so well executed that changing it would have been a mistake. The 0-liter V6 in these trucks is one of the most underrated engine packages ever dropped into a mid-size pickup. It is not a headline-grabbing motor. It does not make outrageous power claims. What it does is run with almost stubborn consistency when given basic maintenance. Oil changes on schedule, coolant flushes, fresh air filters, and that engine will simply keep going. Owners have crossed 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, and in documented cases, well over 500,000 miles on the original block with nothing more than the service intervals asking to be respected. The manual transmission version of the Frontier is essentially bulletproof, and even the automatic transmission holds up with far more dignity than many comparable trucks in the class. For senior drivers specifically, the Frontier offers something that matters more than horsepower, which is simplicity. The interior is logical. The controls are physical buttons and knobs that do not require a user manual to operate. And nothing depends on software updates or subscription plans to keep functioning. The ride is firm but not punishing, and the step-in height is notably more manageable than a full-size truck, which reduces the physical strain of getting in and out dozens of times a week. The only real concern worth mentioning on older Frontiers is the timing chain tensioner on some of the early 4.0-liter engines, which can wear prematurely if the previous owner skipped oil changes. Pull the maintenance records, verify the service history, and you are looking at one of the cleanest buys in the used truck market. Clean examples are available right now for somewhere between $12,000 and $18,000, depending on mileage and trim, which for a truck this proven over this many miles is a deal that does not make financial sense until you understand just how long these things actually last. Number 4 is the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the 5.3-liter V8. And this is the American truck on this list that has earned its reputation the hard way, through decades of real-world use in every possible condition. The small block V8 architecture behind this engine is one of the most refined, most tested, and most field-proven engine designs in the history of American manufacturing, and the 3-liter version of that architecture has been powering Silverados since 1999 with the consistency that its competitors have spent years trying to match. There are Silverados with this engine that have cleared 400, zeros in miles, and are still pulling trailers and hauling weekend loads without burning oil, without misfiring, and without needing anything beyond basic scheduled service. The generation to focus on for value is the 2014 to 2019 model years, which brought meaningful improvements to the interior quality, the transmission smoothness, and the overall cabin refinement while keeping the legendary 5.3 running underneath everything. For older drivers, the comfort of this generation of Silverado is genuinely impressive. The seats are supportive and well-shaped for long highway stretches. The cabin is quiet at cruising speeds, and the suspension tuning absorbs road imperfections in a way that reduces fatigue on longer drives. Running boards come standard or as a dealer add-on on most of these trims, which makes the step-in height far more manageable. There is one thing worth addressing honestly, which is the AFM system, or active fuel management, which is the cylinder deactivation technology (GM) used on these engines to improve fuel economy. On some trucks, it caused oil consumption issues and lifter failures when oil changes were delayed or the wrong oil specification was used. The fix is simple, inexpensive, and well documented. An AFM disabler or range technology device turns the system off entirely and eliminates the risk before it becomes a problem. With that one step taken care of, you have one of the most durable and comfortable full-size trucks available on the used market today. Clean examples of the 2014 to 2018 Silverado with the 5.3 are available in the $18,000 to $26,000 range, and given the mileage ceiling this engine has repeatedly demonstrated, the value equation is nearly impossible to argue with. Number 3 is the Ford F-150 with the 5.0-liter Coyote V8. And this is the truck that benefits from the most comprehensive support network in the entire used vehicle market. The F-150 has been the best-selling vehicle in America for over 4 decades, which means parts are everywhere, mechanics know these trucks cold, and the ownership ecosystem around them is second to none. But not every F-150 engine from this era is the right choice. And for seniors who want maximum reliability with minimum drama, the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 is the specific engine to find. The turbocharged EcoBoost engines that Ford promoted heavily during this same generation have their supporters, but they also carry documented concerns, including carbon buildup on intake valves, coolant issues at the degas bottle, and intercooler condensation in cold climates. The 5.0 Coyote has none of those concerns. It breathes freely, it runs clean, and when maintained properly, it is among the most long-lived V8 truck engines Ford has ever produced. The target generation is 2015 to 2020, after Ford switched to aluminum body panels, which cut significant weight from the overall truck and improved both fuel economy and ride dynamics without sacrificing towing capacity or payload ratings. These trucks ride well for a full-size pickup, and the interior quality improvement in this generation is real and noticeable. The available safety features, including adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking, add genuine protection benefits that matter enormously for older drivers on highways and in traffic. The Easy Lift tailgate mechanism, available on most trims from this era, is a small but genuinely useful feature for anyone who finds the physical effort of constantly managing a heavy tailgate to be a daily inconvenience. Real-world high-mileage examples of the 5.0 F-150 crossing 300,000 and 400,000 miles are common and thoroughly documented in owner communities, and the parts availability means that any repair needed anywhere in the country will never require waiting or searching. Pricing on a clean 2016 to 2019 F-150 with the 5.0 lands roughly between $22,000 and $32,000 in dollars, which for the durability ceiling and the ownership infrastructure you are buying into, still represents a genuinely favorable deal. If this kind of honest, numbers-backed content is useful to you, hit that like button right now. It genuinely keeps this channel going, and subscribe so you do not miss the next breakdown. Number 2 is the Toyota Tacoma, and almost nothing new can be said about the Tacoma that has not already been said, but the reason it keeps being said is because it keeps being true in ways that matter. The Tacoma has one of the highest owner retention rates of any vehicle on the market, which means people who buy them almost never sell them, and when they do, the resale value holds so persistently that a 10-year-old Tacoma with 150,000 miles on it still commands prices that feel unreasonable until you understand what the market has already figured out about these trucks. The 4.0-liter V6 used in Tacomas from 2005 through 2015 is arguably the most reliable truck engine ever placed into a mass-production midsize pickup. It does not ask for much. It does not develop expensive habits. It does not leave you with mystery codes and unexplained noises. It runs, and when it is maintained even reasonably well, 300,000 miles is not the finish line. It is where the odometer reading stops being surprising. There are thoroughly documented, owner-verified cases of Tacomas, with this engine hitting 500,000 miles and beyond, with reports that the engine still pulls smoothly and starts without hesitation the same way it did when the truck was new. For senior drivers, the Tacoma brings advantages beyond the reliability story. The midsize footprint is meaningfully easier to park and navigate in tighter spaces than any full-size option. The bed height is accessible without requiring a step or a significant physical effort, and the cabin is practical and uncluttered without overwhelming you with features that require ongoing attention. The double cab configuration provides real, usable rear seat space that makes the truck genuinely comfortable for passengers on longer trips. The one honest criticism worth naming is the ride quality, which has been a consistent complaint from Tacoma owners for years, particularly in the rear when the bed is empty. The rear suspension can feel bouncy on rough or broken pavement, and for drivers who are sensitive to that kind of motion, it is worth doing an extended test drive on roads that resemble your typical daily routes before committing. But in every conversation about raw long-term reliability, resistance to expensive failure, and peace of mind measured in hundreds of thousands of miles, nothing in the midsize segment competes with the Tacoma. A well-maintained 2008 to 2015 double cab with the V6 runs between $18,000 and $28,000, which reflects exactly how the market has priced proven, essentially indestructible transportation. Number 1 is the Toyota Tundra, and everything true about the Tacoma is true about the Tundra, and then compounded by size, comfort, and a level of documented long-distance durability that puts it in a category almost by itself. The Tundra arrived in its second generation in 2007 and changed the conversation about full-size American trucks not by outmarketing anyone, not by offering more features, but by doing something almost aggressive simple, which is refusing to break down in circumstances where every other truck would have long since required expensive intervention. The 7-liter iForce V8 used from 2007 through 2021 is not an engine that wins fuel economy awards, and that is the only honest criticism of it. What it does instead is run forever. There are taxi fleet operators who have documented crossing 500,000 miles without an engine rebuild. There are ranch and farm operations that have pushed these engines through conditions that would destroy lesser power plants, and the engines kept going. The specific mechanical reasons for this longevity are well understood by anyone who has looked into the iForce. Toyota engineered conservative internal tolerances, used robust forged internals, and paired the engine with a transmission and cooling system sized generously for the loads the truck would actually see. There is no timing belt to replace on schedule. The cooling system is robust and straightforward, and the brakes and suspension components are inexpensive and easy to service anywhere. For senior drivers specifically, the Tundra offers something that stands apart from every other truck on this list, which is a combination of ride quality, cabin space, and ease of access that is genuinely class-leading for its era. The ride is smoother than the Silverado and smoother than the F-150 in this generation, absorbing road surfaces with a composure that reduces fatigue on longer drives in a way that older drivers in particular will notice and appreciate. The CrewMax cab configuration, available on the Tundra from 2007 onward, delivers rear seat space that rivals full-size sedans, with a nearly flat floor that makes getting in and out significantly easier on knees and hips than most competitor configurations. The interior controls are logical. The buttons are large and clearly labeled, and nothing about driving a Tundra requires consulting a manual or navigating a complicated menu system. The one legitimate concern worth raising directly is rust on the rear frame of trucks built from 2007 to approximately 2010 in northern states where road salt is applied to roads in winter months. Toyota acknowledged this issue and issued an extended warranty that covered full frame replacements on affected trucks at no cost to owners. When shopping for a Tundra from these earlier years, inspecting the rear frame carefully around the suspension mounts and crossmembers is not optional, it is essential. In states where road salt is not part of the environment, this issue is essentially non-existent. With that inspection done and the frame confirmed clean, you are buying a truck with a realistic expectation of lasting another 200,000 miles or more on basic maintenance alone. A solid 2010 to 2017 Tundra CrewMax with the 5.7 is available in the $20,000 to $32,000 range right now. And given the documented ceiling of this engine and the comfort and ease of ownership that comes with it, the math is almost embarrassingly favorable for anyone who does the homework. So there it is, 5 pickups, all proven across real-world miles to reach 500,000. All available right now at prices that reward buyers who know what to look for. If you are a senior driver or you are buying for one, the market is full of trucks that have already proven everything they need to prove across hundreds of thousands of miles of real use. You do not need to gamble on something new and unproven when the evidence for these 5 has been building for 20 years. If this breakdown was useful, hit that like button. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this kind of honest, no-nonsense information. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one, and I will see you there.